Hello folks, while the flexible and mysterious Galaxy Fold 4 and Flip 4 mobile powerhouses are the focus of the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, there is clearly also a good chance the company will refresh its smartwatch lineup at some point in August with what we've come to call the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Based on the latest global market report, as well as the Samsung's own first quarter 2022 financial roundup, we can assume last year's Wear OS-powered Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic generated pretty robust sales numbers, which in turn should produce a decent level of pre-launch excitement for the Galaxy Watch 5 family. Rumored to include 3 members at least once before, this is getting some very interesting codenames today, hinting at a key focus area. Perhaps more importantly, it's now essentially etched in stone that the undoubtedly health-centered heart, aka Galaxy Watch 5, will come in 3 different versions. Judging by said codenames, however, that might not represent an expansion over the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. The Heart S and Heart L likely to correspond to direct sequels of the former's 40 and 44mm models, while a single Heart Pro may follow in the footsteps of 2021's small and large Classic. Despite this new Galaxy Club reveal, Sam Mobile are still not ready to give up the possibility of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro ultimately going official under the Galaxy Watch 5 Ultra label. Whichever of those 2 names will commercially materialize in the summer, you can be certain this ultra high-end beast to bring serious battery life upgrades to the table compared to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. We're currently expecting a massive 572mAh cell to reside under this bad boy's hood, up from 361mAh battery capacity of the 46mm Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. You'll be happy to know the non-Pro models are also tipped to improve the endurance between charges of their forerunners. The mid-sized Galaxy Watch 5 model, codename Heart L, should have a battery with a rated capacity of 397mAh, and the smaller Watch 5 variant has a 276mAh battery, up from 247mAh on the Galaxy Watch 4 40mm. The Galaxy Watch 5 could expand upon Samsung's health platform with the addition of the thermometer sensor. Word among industry watchers is that the company wants to add skin temperature reading capabilities to the Galaxy Watch 5, which would be a first in the company's smartwatch lineup. In theory, the Galaxy Watch 5 would be the perfect launchpad for this technology, given that Apple has similar plans for its 2022 smartwatch model. Unfortunately for Samsung, the company may have to push back the thermometer feature to 2023 due to slow progress in developing an accurate algorithm for the skin temperature sensor. On the other hand, Samsung's rival Apple has reportedly fixed a similar issue for its upcoming watch series and could release a model equipped with a thermometer this year. Both Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal have reported that the Apple Watch Series 8 could include a body temperature sensor. They have also said that it might not be used to detect fever initially, but might instead help with fertility planning only, giving women clues about where they are in the ovulation cycle. Esteemed analyst Min-Chi Kuo expands on this by explaining that skin temperature varies depending on external conditions, and since a smartwatch cannot measure core temperature because of hardware limitations, the watch must use an algorithm to determine a user's precise body temperature. Samsung is also facing the same challenge, and although a report had said that the Galaxy Watch 5 could offer a built-in thermometer, Kuo says the South Korean giant hasn't nailed this algorithm yet, and thus it's likely that its next watch will not include the feature. But what do you think, guys? What's your expectations from the Galaxy Watch 5? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!